What's my favorite place to visit? If I could go anywhere, the pyramids would be my first stop. I've been fascinated by them since I was a child. There's just something about that ancient mystery. I'm your host, Zia, and welcome back to Studio 109. Today, we're diving into the future of digital creation. I'm going to show you how to pull off a stunning pyramid transformation using AI. Believe it or not, I achieved this using Grok AI with just one simple line of code. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Understanding AI isn't about discovering every single hidden avenue. It's about learning how to talk to it. Think of it like driving a car. Once you know how to drive, you can go anywhere. You don't need a map for every street. You create your own path. To master AI, you just have to understand the grammar of the system. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm a lazy man. I don't want the long way, I want the shortcut. I'm always looking for the most efficient path. After the success of my last video, I wanted to go bigger. I wanted to build a pyramid. And I didn't want to use modern cranes or bulldozers. I wanted to capture that ancient mystery. To be honest, I had no clue how they actually moved those massive stones, so I sat down with my friend Google Gemini. I asked it to generate 10 sequential images from the first stone to the finished peak, so I could transform one clip into the next. If you saw my last video, you'll recognize my reverse engineering trick. I assigned the current frame and the next frame to create my first clip. Then I used that result to anchor the second clip, repeating the process over and over to maintain perfect consistency. And between those two frames, I used just one simple prompt: cinematic time-lapse, smooth day-to-night change, workers building with old tools and equipment, realistic construction progress. In just 10 minutes, I finished all 10 clips and stitched them together in CapCut. It's really that simple. Honestly, what could be easier than this? But I want to hear from you. Do you have a trick that's even faster? Or maybe a different way to handle frame-to-frame transitions? Drop a comment below and let me know. Also, tell me, what are you planning to build with AI next? Now, let's take one more look at the final result. I'll be back with something even more mind-blowing in the next one. Until then, stay tuned, keep creating, and hit that subscribe button for more AI shortcuts. I'm Zia, and I'll see you in the next one.